Okay, Cancer people, so this reading is for you. Life update to, so meaning this is a timeless general reading for you for this year 2026. So ano nga bang life update for you, Cancer? So if you are a Cancer, you may listen to this reading so you would have a guidance for this year 2026. So this random to, anything under the sun, kung anong message ibigay sa'yo. So we have first the world. Okay. So that's the first thing. Okay. Pasan mo ba ang mundo? Cancer? Okay. Mukhang pasan mo ang mundo this year. Or should I say, hawak mo ang mundo? Hawak mo ang bit ba to? Then we have the justice. Okay. Okay. Bakit hawak mo? Lagi kang may hinahawakan. Ikaw ba yung klase ng taong na laging may hawak? 12 cups. Okay. Okay. May nasi-sense na ako dito. Where you have the justice in you. Okay. 6 of Swords. Ba't ang daming earth sign sa'yo? May earth sign ka din ba? Pwedeng isa kang ano ba may earth sign? Pisces ka diba? So, March. So, pwedeng may earth sign ka sa mga signs mo or possible isang earth sign ang naging reason kung bakit ka nandiyan sa state mo ayan ng buhay mo. So, this year, I could sense now there's something with your relationship this year. Okay? So, I will be honest with you, Cancer. This year, medyo nagko-contemplate ka with your emotion. Oops, meron card. Wait lang. 6 of Cups. Okay. Ano pa ba? Queen of Wands. Okay, nakatingin ka sa taas. Are you longing for something? Cancer, may inaasahan ka ba? Parang may hinihintay ka eh. Parang may inaasahan at may hinihintay ka. Okay? Four of Pentacles. Oo, ingat ka nga. Parang natatakot kang mawala sa'yo. Pero may something dito sa Two of Cups natin. There's something about the relationship you have with someone. Nakikita ko dito kaibigan. Okay? Hindi siya masyado clear sa akin. Mukhang, wait lang. Ayoko muna magsalita ng tapos, no? Pero let's have another cards pa to help us. Death. Okay. I'm asking about this. At lumabas si Death. Okay. So, kung may kaibigan ka na taksil sa'yo, agad ganun. So, if you have friends with you na if you feel something off, parang hindi siya totoo sa'yo, then that's true. Yun lang. Yeah, hindi siya totoo sa'yo. Sneaky siya. Okay? That person is smiling. Okay? Smiling. Palangiti si kurot ng taong to or ngumingiti sa'yo. Pero actually, this person doesn't like you. Okay? So, be careful with this person. Ay! Okay, dami naman. Oh, the word ulit. But this one, naka-ano na siya. Baliktad na. The strength in reverse. And the Two of Wands in reverse. Wala nang pag-asa to. Meaning, itong taong to, okay, wala nang pag-asa yung relationship niyo. You need to put parang nahihirapan ng musalita sa'yo. Parang ayaw niya kasing malaman mo eh. Meron siyang bagay na ayaw mo malaman. Parang ayaw niya akong pagsalitain. Parang hindi ka makapag-decide na maayos. May tinatago siya sa'yo. That's one thing I should say to you. May tinatago siya sa'yo. Parang ito yung klase ng taong kasama mo lagi, milk tea, ganyan, may inom kayo, lagi mo siyang kasama. I could see it's a friend, no? Na pagsasabihan mo siya ng mga bagay tungkol sa buhay mo. Pero you cannot trust this person. Okay? Be careful with this person. Ayun. Lumabas ka din. The Three of Cups. Okay? Umaasa ka, Cancer, that sometimes, or should I say, someday, magkaroon ka ng mga tunay mong kaibigan na totoong suporta sa'yo. Kasi you were in this scenario of your life na eh. I could sense na buong buhay mo ganyan na yung naging mga kaibigan mo. And I can sense as well this year, possible, magkaroon ka ng mga bago mong kaibigan. So, better to keep a distance na with this person. Okay? Isa rin siyang water sign. Parang parehas kayo ng interest. Ang nakikita ko, parehas kayo ng interest. Parang lagi siyang go with the things that you say, go with the things that you like. Parang, alam mo yung klase ng taong hindi naman talaga gusto yung ginagawa nyo. Pero dahil yun ang gusto mo, dahil nalilibre mo siya, dahil whatever reason is that, go lang siya. Pero hindi naman talaga yun ang interest niya. Okay, so you have 7 of Pentacles. Parang may inililibing ka dito, nanghihinayang ka sa friendship niyong dalawa. Pwedeng 7 years na kayong magkaibigan, kaya nanghihinayang ka. Ganon. Of course, Cancer, you know it, diba? I know you know it. There's something wrong with your relationship. But you're keeping it to yourself. Like, no, it can be fixed, but it's not. Page of Cups. May bagong emosyon kang mafe-feel. Ibig sabihin, may bagong simula. Okay? Na bagay sa buhay mo na darating na magpaparamdam sa'yo ulit. Ayan the Tower. Na tunay, no? Masaya. Fulfilling. Okay? Ano pa ba? King of Pentacles. Actually, you are really good in life. There's something wrong with you lang when it comes to relationships. Especially friends. Sa kaibigan. Let's have a message. Okay. Stress reduction. Okay. Stress reduction. Tanggalin mo daw yung nagpapastress sa'yo. So, I think you need to let go everything you have na hindi maganda. Okay? Tanggalin mo na yung mga nagpapastress sa'yo. Cancer. Kailangan mo nang tanggalin. The Holy Grail. Stop the endless searching. Inner quest. Search ka na search. Para bang lagi na lang it's very obvious naman kasi. Okay, 9 of Cups. Okay, there's a new beginning for you. Overall for this year, there's a new beginning for you when it comes to emotion. But I know it's not easy. Okay, lalo na ending a relationship with someone you really have connections with, no? But then again, if the connection is not real, so what's the purpose of it, right? So, better to keep it to keep a distance. Let go about it. Let go muna yan. Let go and let God, no? Tanggalin mo yung mga bagay na hindi maganda for this year. Okay, so, that's your reading for this year, Cancer. Thank you for listening, and I hope it resonates. And if it resonates, kindly subscribe to my channel so you can be updated with every readings that I will be having. Thank you, Cancer. Bye.